Now let's recap on font size. Okay, let's type in the word hello. Click on the box. Font size number 12. Change the font size and type in hello. Do so for the next one. Click on the box. Check font size number 9. Change font size to number 9 and type in. Do so for the next one. Font size 60. Type in hello. Click. Font size 30. Hello. Okay, good job. Now we are going to scroll down and we are going to change the font size for the hellos below. So I am going to highlight. Okay, font size number 12. Click and change. Same, highlight. Font size number 9 and we change. Okay, click. Font size 60. Change. Okay, click. Font size 30. And last one is font size 36. And we're finished.